Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Excalidraw with Docker and Nginx on Debian 12. First, let's update the package index and install the latest upgrades. This reduces security risks and helps avoid dependency issues later. Now, we'll install Docker using the official installation script. Continue to enable Docker to start automatically on boot and start it immediately. Then, verify Docker is installed correctly. Next, we'll install Docker Compose v2 as a plugin. After that, verify it's working. Next, let's create a dedicated directory for Excalidraw. Continue to create the Docker Compose configuration. Then, insert the following content. Now, let's start the container in detached mode. Confirm the container is running. After that, test Excalidraw locally. If we get a 200 OK or 302 response, Excalidraw is running correctly. Next, we'll install Nginx. Enable Nginx to start at boot and start it now. Continue to create an Nginx site configuration file. Paste the following configuration. Then, enable the site by creating a symbolic link. After that, test the Nginx configuration and reload Nginx to apply changes. Finally, open a browser and go to the following URL. We should now see Excalidraw running successfully.